Hello friends, here we are starting the new subseries, and in this subseries we will learn how to bind the control with the database table. In the last subseries we bound the list based control to the in-memory data, right? And this time we will bind the controls to the database. So in this first video, we will learn database interaction via ADO.NET components. In the previous subseries, we saw how to bind the control with a collection formed in memory. We used 3 list box controls and we bound that with the subject array list, which was formed in memory, that we saw in the previous subseries. It is also possible to bind the controls with the permanent database storage. So in the last subseries, we cooked the data right in memory, and it's also possible to bind the data that is stored permanently in the database. Connecting to a database involves 2 ADO.NET components. One is data provider and another one is the connection string. Data provider knows how to talk to a specific database. So be it a Oracle or SQL Server, there will be a specific provider, and that provider knows how to talk to the database. Then we have connection string. The connection string provides database specific details, which means where is the database. So if it is a network based database, you will come to know the IP address or host name of the database location. Then credentials, say for example username and password. So those details can be supplied using the connection string property. Then there is one more ADO.NET object called command. Command object helps in issuing data fetch. So data fetch can be done using the select statement, and data manipulation, this can be done using the insert, update as well as delete commands. So the command object helps in issuing data fetch and data manipulation to the underlying database. It can be Oracle or SQL Server, and through the data provider, the command object can perform data fetch or data manipulation. The command object gives back a component, say data reader or data set, which we can use to know the result of the command. Right? Through command object, you can issue data fetch or data manipulation. When it is a data fetch using the data reader or data set, alright, you can iterate through the result of the fetch. In this subseries, we will bind list box as well as drop down list to fetch titles table from the pubs database. So here is our backend database, and in the pubs table we will fetch the titles table. That means let's see the data here. So there are many columns. We will pick the titles column and we will display that in the ASP.NET control. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.